What if I told you that some of the toughest touring motorcycles ever built cost less than many brand new middleweight bikes? And they'll probably outlast them too. Today, we're counting down 4 legendary touring machines with engines so durable they've earned a reputation for running virtually forever. If you're a rider who values comfort, reliability, and real-world performance over flashy marketing, you're going to love this list. Let's get started. The Honda ST1300 has always been one of those motorcycles that quietly earns respect instead of demanding attention. It doesn't have the aggressive styling of today's adventure tourers or the latest electronic gadgets, but for experienced riders, that's actually part of its charm. Introduced as the successor to the legendary ST1300, the ST1300 was engineered for one purpose: covering enormous distances with almost no drama. And after hundreds of thousands of miles logged by riders around the world, it's safe to say Honda absolutely nailed that mission. Its 1,261 cubic centimeter liquid-cooled V4 engine is one of the smoothest power plants Honda has ever produced. Unlike many large twins that vibrate at highway speeds, the ST1300 feels incredibly refined. The power delivery is linear, predictable, and strong from low RPM all the way through the rev range. It produces more than enough acceleration for passing traffic without ever feeling intimidating, making it an excellent choice for riders who appreciate confidence more than raw aggression. Many owners routinely report well over 200,000 miles with nothing more than regular maintenance, and it's not uncommon to hear stories of ST1300s still running beautifully after decades on the road. Comfort is another area where this Honda shines. The upright riding position, adjustable windshield, generous seat, and excellent wind protection make long highway days surprisingly easy on aging backs and knees. Senior riders especially appreciate how relaxed the bike feels even after several consecutive hours in the saddle. The weight disappears once you're moving, and the low center of gravity gives the bike impressive stability in corners and parking lots alike. Add in integrated saddlebags and a fuel tank capable of serious range, and you've got a machine that practically begs for cross-country adventures. Perhaps the biggest compliment you can pay the ST1300 is that it simply refuses to create problems. It isn't flashy. It doesn't constantly demand expensive electronic updates. It just starts every morning, cruises effortlessly, and keeps asking where you're riding next. That's exactly why so many retired riders and iron-butt veterans continue to search for clean examples today. But as dependable as the Honda is, the next motorcycle takes long-distance reliability to an entirely different level, and its engine has become almost mythical among touring enthusiasts. Yamaha FJR1300. If the Honda ST1300 is the quiet professional, the Yamaha FJR1300 is the seasoned athlete who still surprises everyone long after retirement. Introduced in the early 2000s, the FJR quickly built a reputation as one of the finest sport touring motorcycles ever created. It blended comfort with performance so effectively that many riders wondered why they'd ever need anything else. Even today, thousands of owners insist they'd buy another FJR without hesitation. At the heart of the bike sits a bulletproof 1,298 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that seems almost impossible to wear out. It's smooth at cruising speeds, but comes alive the moment you twist the throttle. Unlike many touring motorcycles that prioritize comfort at the expense of excitement, the FJR delivers both. Whether you're overtaking traffic on an interstate or carving through mountain roads, the engine responds instantly with effortless power. More importantly, this performance comes without sacrificing reliability. It's common to find FJRs exceeding 150,000 or even 250,000 miles while still running remarkably well, proving that Yamaha's engineering wasn't just about speed, it was about longevity. For senior riders who still enjoy spirited riding without giving up touring comfort, the FJR is a fantastic compromise. The ergonomics are slightly sportier than traditional touring bikes, but they're far from uncomfortable. Adjustable handlebars, comfortable seating, excellent weather protection, and optional electronic suspension on later models make long trips surprisingly relaxing. Cruise control on newer versions becomes a welcome companion during those endless interstate stretches when your throttle hand deserves a well-earned break. There's also something incredibly satisfying about owning a motorcycle that quietly outperforms bikes, costing twice as much. While some modern machines overwhelm riders with dozens of riding modes and endless software updates, the FJR focuses on delivering an exceptional riding experience every single time you hit the starter button. It proves that true engineering excellence doesn't go out of style. But if you think this Yamaha has an unbeatable reputation for durability, wait until you see the motorcycle that's been circling the globe for decades without breaking a sweat. BMW R1200RT. Some motorcycles are designed for vacations. The BMW R1200RT feels like it was designed for a lifetime of traveling. For decades, BMW's RT series has been the preferred choice of long-distance enthusiasts, police departments, and riders who practically live on the road. There's a reason you see these bikes crossing continents instead of sitting in garages. They're built to keep moving. Power comes from BMW's iconic horizontally opposed boxer twin, producing a unique blend of character and dependability. The engine's low center of gravity makes the motorcycle feel much lighter than its actual weight, something senior riders immediately appreciate during slow-speed maneuvers. The boxer layout also provides excellent balance, reducing fatigue on long rides while delivering strong torque exactly where touring riders need it most. With proper maintenance, these engines routinely accumulate hundreds of thousands of miles, and many older RTS continue to tour the world long after newer motorcycles have disappeared from the roads. Comfort is where the R1200RT truly separates itself from many competitors. The adjustable windshield creates an exceptionally quiet pocket of air, reducing wind fatigue during all-day rides. Heated grips, heated seats on many models, refined suspension, ergonomic seating, and generous luggage capacity transform cross-country trips into genuinely enjoyable experiences. Older riders especially value how easy it is to spend 6, 8, or even 10 hours in the saddle without feeling completely exhausted afterward. Of course, BMW ownership sometimes comes with higher maintenance costs than Japanese motorcycles, but owners often argue that the riding experience more than justifies the investment. The combination of confidence-inspiring handling, remarkable comfort, and an engine that simply keeps going year after year makes the RT one of the finest touring motorcycles ever built. Yet even this German legend has to step aside for the motorcycle that has arguably earned the greatest reputation for reliability in the entire touring world. Number 1. Honda Gold Wing GL1800. When people talk about motorcycles with engines that never die, one name almost always enters the conversation: the Honda Gold Wing. This isn't simply a touring motorcycle, it's the benchmark by which every other touring motorcycle is measured. Since the GL1800 debuted, riders have crossed continents, deserts, mountain ranges, and entire countries while asking remarkably little from the machine beyond routine maintenance. The heart of the Gold Wing is its magnificent flat-six engine, one of the smoothest motorcycle engines ever engineered. Power delivery is effortless, vibration is almost non-existent, and the engine feels practically unstressed regardless of speed. It's the kind of motorcycle that happily cruises all day at highway speeds and still feels eager for more when you reach your destination. Stories of Gold Wings exceeding 300,000 miles and even approaching 500,000 aren't rare among dedicated touring communities. That's an extraordinary achievement for any motorcycle, especially one carrying so much weight and luxury equipment. For senior riders, the Gold Wing delivers something that's difficult to describe until you've experienced it yourself: effortless confidence. The seating position feels natural, passenger accommodations are among the best in motorcycling, and features like reverse gear, premium audio systems, heated controls, cruise control, and outstanding wind protection make every journey less tiring. Despite its size, the bike feels surprisingly manageable thanks to its exceptionally low center of gravity. It's one of those rare motorcycles that actually seems to get easier to ride the longer you own it. Perhaps the funniest part is watching expensive modern motorcycles struggle to keep up with a well-maintained Gold Wing on a long-distance trip. While others stop to stretch, troubleshoot electronics, or search for fuel, the Gold Wing simply keeps rolling mile after mile with quiet confidence. It doesn't chase trends or try to impress with flashy technology. Instead, it focuses on doing one thing exceptionally well, carrying you comfortably and reliably wherever the road leads. That's exactly why, decades after its introduction, it remains one of the greatest touring motorcycles ever built, and one that truly humbles plenty of brand-new $20,000 machines. So, which of these legendary touring motorcycles would you trust to ride across the country tomorrow without thinking twice? Are you loyal to the Honda Gold Wing? Do you prefer the refined BMW RT, the sporty Yamaha FJR1300, or the dependable Honda ST1300? Let us know down in the comments. We'd love to hear how many miles you've put on your own touring bike. And if you enjoy discovering motorcycles that combine legendary reliability with real-world comfort, don't miss the next video on the channel where we reveal touring motorcycles that easily reach 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Click that video on your screen now, and we'll see you there.